I can prepare this meat like pork. First, I'll cut it into thin slices. I won't worry too much about any uneven cuts. It's like vegetable I found while foraging. Once it's hot enough, we'll add the marinated meat. It's done! The hell is this? It's so freaking tasty! It's so good!
I've never had such delicious meat before!
You know, I usually don't like red boar meat, but I just can't get enough of it. This dish is incredible.
All I did was pan-fry it in pre-made marinade. You should be thanking Ibarra Foods.
This is the first time I've eaten carrot raw, but I must say this combination goes very well together.
The juices from the cooked pork give it an amazing flavor. I just had a wonderful idea.
Delicious.
I want to try it too!
And the soup is so refreshing that it washes away the heaviness of the meat. I feel like I could keep eating this forever.
You said it.